Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you could take a screen capture or a desktop capture or image using Microsoft Word. So let's open the document Word in which we want to include a screen capture or a picture. We will just edit the text a little bit to have more space for putting our picture. Next option, we will go to Insert. We will click in the illustration sections. We'll click on Screenshot, Screen Clipping, and here we'll just select the screen which we want. Now that it's done, you can always go ahead and edit your document as needed. You can always use it as a desktop background, or you can also use it as a background for your document. There is another option. When you click on the picture itself, there is the layout options which will appear. You click on it and you select how you want to show that document. You can show it square, top and bottom, or behind the text. So if you select behind the text, your picture will be appearing behind the text which you are writing as following. Once you are done, just click save and your work will be saved. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.